These are proofs that writing online can actually get you paid. Most people trying to make money online writing actually fail, but writing is one of the easiest way beginners can actually get paid right now. And the best part is that you don't even need any experience to get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how beginners may actually make money writing in 2026. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, you need to understand how writing online actually works. There are three major ways beginners can actually earn money from writing. The first one is getting paid per article. The second one is publishing story on platform. The third one is freelancing. Most people jump into this without understanding all of this. That is the reason why most of them fail. So the next step is choosing where you write. This platform includes the Webnovel, Medium, Upwork. Each platform actually works differently. Some pays based on reader and the other pay per job. So if you are just starting, focus on one platform, not all of them at once. So once you've chosen one platform, writing immediately. People actually procrastinate and they want to be perfect. You have to try. If you get rejected, especially if you're writing a story for a particular platform, if you get rejected, you can actually improve on your writing to apply again. You have to write and rewrite. Or you might actually get rejected in your first story. That doesn't mean you should stop. You have to keep writing, correct yourself, and apply again. You can apply on the first platform, especially if you want to go into fiction writing. Now let's talk about money, because that is why most people actually want to go into this. You are writing for a web novel site. You are going to be getting paid every single month, and the amount you are going to make range from $100 to thousands of dollars if you actually get a contract on all of this particular website. But if you choose to be writing an article, like for instance on Medium platform, you are going to get paid per reader that read your articles. And it's for Upwork, you are going to get paid when a client reach out to help them write any kind of writing, any kind of articles or contents, anything at all. That is how you can actually get paid. But my favorite is story writing platforms, because all you need is just to write a story and get a contract. You don't need to be seeking for clients to work for and all of that. You get. So let's talk about the mistake most beginners actually make. If you want to succeed, avoid this mistake. Stop jumping from one thing to another. If you know you want to write fiction, fix on it. If you don't want to start writing an article, just based on your article, you get my point. Just choose one part and be consistent on that particular part. Then you are going to see that you are going to achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve in a short period of time. And lastly, writing online is not a get quick rich scheme. Writing online is not a get quick rich scheme. You have to be consistent. I understand that you might write a story now and you get a contract in just less than a week. Like this particular person gets a contract in just less than a week. And I need you to post it at the back of your mind that it's
not a get quick rich
if you want to know the
scheme.
best website that actually pays writer, make sure you watch this particular video. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. Alright guys, see you in the next video, and subscribe if you want more of writing platform.